If everybody does what I tell them to do, it's fine. I mean, they wrote some chicken scratch on there, so I'm just pulling up my emails just to see what it said. I told one of my girls, she just found out she's pregnant. I was like, you're only gonna be out for like a week, right?
Yeah, crazy.
Luckily, her job could be remote if she needed to. So I'm like, you're gonna work, right? I'm gonna talk her into it. My wife's trying to fight me on it though. Like, she'll be fine. She's only got 2 kids. She knows what to expect.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna make things a little bit more difficult.
She's got hope. She'll be fine.